Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. To create a business account on Instagram, we must have a personal account already registered here. If you don't know how to do this, don't worry, you can watch our video on how to create an Instagram account. Now, in our profile, we click on Edit Profile. Then click on Switch to Professional Account. We have two options, Creator or Business. In this case we choose Business. Click Continue or Next. Then, we choose our account category. In my case I will click on Product, Service. Then we click on Next. Now, Instagram asks us to place our cell phone. People will be able to email, call and get directions of our business from new buttons and links of our profile. Then we enter our address. Then we click on City, Town. We write in the search engine and click on the option of our city. If you want you can put a zip code. Then we click on OK. Then, we click on Next. Here, we can connect the business account with our fan page. In my case I will click on Don't connect to Facebook now. But if you want to add this option, click on Choose Page and choose your fan page. Excellent, now we have our business account. We already have more tools to connect with our audience. We can have insights and promotions. With this option you can measure data from each of your publications and stories, the behavior of your followers and other information that can help you determine your strategy. Also, we can do promotions. Clicking on this button redirects us to an area where we can quickly create a promotion and also manage it. Finally, if you no longer want your account to be a business one and you want to return to a personal account, we click on the button of the three lines. Then click on Settings. We choose the option Account. And click on Switch to Personal Account. Here's what will happen when you do this. Remember that you can switch back to a business account anytime, but the information about insights and promotions will be lost. If you are sure, click on Switch Back. That's it. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.